Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be reading your assumptions about me. So I know this has been trending for a while, so I thought it would be fun to know what you guys think of me, and you can also know me better if your assumptions are wrong or correct. So yeah, I posted this on Instagram, and initially I just wanted to respond via Instagram, but then I got a lot more responses than I expected, so I thought, why not do a video about it? So today I will be answering all your assumptions about me. Okay, so the first one is you have 6 packs. No, I don't. I wish, but I don't. I don't have 6 packs, and I'm not even near having 6 packs. You only like BTS because they're famous. I guess you can say it's part of the reasons, because I'm not the kind of person who will listen to like new songs or new release. I feel like if they're not famous, then they wouldn't have got my attention, but it's not the only reason why I like them. I mean, I listen to their music and then I like their music and then I watch them and then I like them. So I don't only like them because they're famous, but I guess you can say it's part of the reason. You earn a lot on YouTube. No, I guess a lot is really difficult to define, but for me it's not a lot, because if it's a lot then I would have been a full-time YouTuber instead of having to juggle between work and my YouTube channel. You don't have many close friends. That is true. I don't have many close friends because first of all, I got betrayed by my bunch of close friends, and then secondly, I'm an introvert, so it's very difficult for me to make new friends. And to be honest, I don't mind either, because since I'm an introvert, I love being alone and I don't mind being alone. You secretly love BTS more than your boyfriend. It's a different kind of love, you know? Like, I wouldn't say like I love my boyfriend more than my parents, or I love my parents more than my boyfriend. It's like a different kind of love. You are 18 years old. Well, thank you. I am 9 years older than 18 years old. You speak more Chinese than English. No, I don't speak Chinese at all. I very seldom speak Chinese, and if I do, I put in a lot of English words because my Chinese is really bad. Even with my friends, they prefer speaking English to me because they always say that whenever I speak Chinese, I have this really weird English accent and I'm not good at it, so they don't use Chinese with me. You'll want to get married within the next 3 years. That is correct, because I am 27 right now, so by 3 years I will be 30 years old, and I don't really want to marry after I'm 30, so the timeline is pretty much there. You have thought of quitting YouTube. No, I haven't actually thought of that, because I genuinely love doing YouTube, and I think it's because I love creating stuff, so YouTube is really a good space for me to create things and get some income, and I genuinely enjoy it. I love filming and I love editing. Even though it can be tiring, it's very rewarding once I finished a video and upload it, so I enjoy it. So I've never thought of quitting. Deep down, you feel left out and lonely in the Singapore YouTube community. So to be honest, I don't follow any Singaporean YouTubers or influencers, so I don't know who is in the community. I don't know who does YouTube in Singapore. Obviously, I know the really popular ones, but I've never once thought like, oh, I wish I'm a part of their group, or I wish I'm their friends. I feel like we're very different, and I just feel like we will not click, so I've never thought of that at all. I think it's because I'm an introvert, and introverts don't really think about joining communities. We just like being in our own space, in our own community. You're very shy. I guess that's true for most part, but depending on the situation, like I'm not shy ordering food or like calling someone. You know, I know some people hate doing that, like ordering food, and like they're afraid to like call like companies and stuff, but I'm not shy about that when it comes to that, and I'm not shy when it comes to like talking to salespeople, but I am shy when it comes to making new friends or like talking to my colleagues and like classmates and stuff. Like, yeah, during those times I am shy. You are really skinny and fit. I don't think I am really skinny and really fit. I think I'm probably in a healthy range. Straight A's and a bookworm. Not really. For me, if I study, I can get straight A's, but if I don't study, then obviously I can't get it. It's not like I'm gifted or something, so I guess my grades are pretty average. For me, I don't really like to study, so back in school, if it's not an important exam, I will not study, and so my grades were pretty bad until like the really important examinations like PSLE, O-levels, finals. Then I will study really hard and then I will get really good grades. Okay, and I'm not a bookworm. I feel like comparing me with the people around me, I do feel like I read more books than them, but I don't consider myself a bookworm because for me, it takes a lot to finish a book. It really has to be captivating. It really has to like grab my attention for me to actually finish it. I actually have a lot of books, but I'm always like halfway through and then I'm just like, I don't want to read anymore. So I don't think that's what a bookworm will do, right? So I don't consider myself a bookworm. So those are all the assumptions that you guys sent in. I'm very thankful that there weren't any mean comments. You know, I was expecting some people to say like, you must be a bitch in real life because I have a resting bitch face, but surprisingly no one did. And all of the assumptions were really nice and kind. So I want to thank you guys for that. If you missed sending your assumptions to me and you want to do so, please let me know either in the comment section below or you can DM me on my Instagram. So I will make sure to post another one of those stories in my Insta story again, so you can send in your assumptions. I can do a part 2 or whatsoever, but let me know if you want me to do another one. And yeah, we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye!